And this is gonna be a 4v5 action. Here comes the Rolling Thunder. Mararapture naman kaya. Naispatan nila dito yung Bristleback. But look at 23 Savage. Nauna na siya sa first, mga kaibigan. Na-excite si Tropa in the Dinamita. Hindi siya sa El Granada. Pero kamukha niya, mga sir. And now, Queen in trouble as well. Buyback's been committed for the two core heroes. And now, Invoker will also die. Mikoto, pero not for long. Pero mabibigyan siya dito. Immediate buyback din as well. Delikado Celery. Pero who's the target? Ace, hinahanap. Eto nga po to Scar. He has the detection, but the Warlords Punch is there. Primal Beast. Sino magiging target mo? Jabs is being slowed right now. Tofu naka-rapture, hindi makagalaw, giniginaw. Mapapabuyback na rin si Jabs. It's now or never. Pero both teams will decide na mag-back na lang dito. Pero Pugak gaming for Mikoto. Mali ata to. Mikoto, what are you doing? Wala kang buyback. Hindi mo naman kahit tapusin yung game. Pero sabi dito,